Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and today I'm going to show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. So let's get started. So to uninstall applications, wake up the screen by pressing the home button, then swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the icon of the application you want to uninstall, then press and hold on it and you will see this pop-up. And you can tap on uninstall and the app will be removed like this. Not every application is removable though, so if you try to remove some of the applications, it might not give you the pop-up for the uninstall. As you can see, and this one does, I believe it does, but some of them won't be removable, so you won't be able to remove them. And basically that's how you uninstall applications from this watch. You basically go to menu, press and hold on the app you want to remove, and then tap on uninstall. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.